Hello and welcome to all my vibrant and enthusiastic students. We are in the field where we see changes every day and it gives us huge opportunities of upgradation and learnings. Dynamic market gives us opportunity to learn every day. So in today's video, I am going to discuss with you some of your current learning opportunities which is given by market itself. We will discuss some of these changes which has been seen in market and where we are supposed to be upgrade ourselves. Right? Get ready. Market is all about estimation and not only pure data. It moves with future estimation. Just during past quarter, you have created a wonderful work on GDP estimates. Saurabh, Milind bhai, you all have presented GDP estimates during Corona when everybody were in fear. And see, you just tried to estimate the GDP effect of Corona. Just immediately after your estimate, you saw IMF estimate and they both were matching. So wow, wonderful. You tried to estimate and you were successful in this. So what is estimate? You consider some data, you study it, and try to see the future, what effects it will give. So I should clap for the efforts of Saurabh Bhai, Milind Bhai, and whole team. You saw the next exercise where you just try to search fantastic five companies who can outperform during this corona. See, 2 months have passed of that exercise. And now just think about it. You did the exercise, you tried to estimate, and today all the 15 companies, why I'm telling 15, the three team created five companies. Today your all 15 companies are making lifetime highs. So again, wonderful work by you. You decided to estimate, you tried to estimate, you studied some data, and now future is yours. Wonderful work by those teams. Just recently, 15 days back, you did another exercise, Super 21. You tried to estimate those companies which are going to be big in 2030. Keep my word. You can write it down. These companies are going to be big in 2030. So this is the power of estimation. So now let us do one more exercise. Many of you have learned just recently some batches have completed. This exercise will not be for current June batch because they are still learning and they will be busy in their own exercises. Except June batch, each and every student can take part in this exercise. Quarterly results are in line. You learned how to analyze the result. Quarter 1 result are coming. Some of the companies have already announced the result, like TCS came first with their result. Majority of the IT companies have already announced their result like TCS, Infosys, Wipro. During the month of April, everybody was in fear. Companies were falling like anything. But Quarter 1 result of IT industry have created good confidence. Yes, this Quarter 1 result you can consider to estimate this year full result. IT industry is not important because you are investing, but IT is a large India industry and IT is one of the topmost growing industry of India. So this sector do affect even Indian economy and Nifty 50. So what were the results? You saw TCS grew by 0%, but yes, it was okay because we were expecting bad year. 0% degrowth was nothing, right? TCS is your top company where you are investing. Infosys announced its result and that were really outstanding as they grew their business by 9% and profits by 12%. Actually, Infosys expectation were negative profit. Positive profit gave huge bounce. Wipro again with good results, 16% growth, 9% profit growth. So overall, yes, we can estimate that we are going to see this year at least around 10% growth in IT consulting industry. So 10% growth is good. Why? Because even India's GDP would be around 2%. If your industry is growing by 10%, that's outperformance. We may see your IT companies give breakout this year, right? So that's very good, and congratulations to all as you have accumulated during last fall. Now we will see good performance in IT industry. So what you should do, just take current quarter one result, put it in your estimate of 2021. You will be able to do what? Yeah, you will able to estimate this year price, this year earnings, correct? Yes, today maybe your IT industry is responsible. Listed IIT companies are responsible for around 5 lakh crore sales and around 80-90,000 profits. But in 2030, we may see TCS alone making this much profit. So yes, IT industry is a focused industry. Your department store result have came. Yes, this is the fastest growing industry of India. What is the difference between IT and department store is that IT is now mature industry. Companies from IT are making profits of 30,000 crore like TCS. There are no such huge companies in department store. Yes, Reliance Retail is there with the same turnover of TCS. But still, this is an emerging industry. So profits of Reliance Retail and TCS could not match. TCS would be having 20% margin while Reliance Retail would be having around 5% margin. As this industry will grow in coming time, it's currently emerging. In coming 10-20 years, we are going to see this industry boom like IT. Result of demand have directly suggested us that yes, demand was and is the fastest growing industry. But during Corona, we have seen March was full lockdown, April was partial lockdown, business again started in the last week of almost May. Department store has suffered. We have seen the sales down of demand. You saw that current year sales of demand have fallen. By how much? 33% sales have fallen. Now just think about it. First month was fully locked down. They got some months to recover their business, but they were not able to recover their business. Currently, they are only able to do 80% turnover of what they were doing during full-fledged open market. So we should be prepared that this year may be muted year for department store. Yes, this is an outperforming industry, but this year it could be muted. Why? Number one thing, the products which right now they are able to sell are essential products. They have seen huge degrowth in discretionary product where they are having huge margins. So their margins have suffered. If margin have suffered and sales are down, we should see a struggling year. Now just think about it. DMart is the best company with almost they are dead. They are debt-free companies. What will happen to future company? What will happen to other companies which are having big debt, which are with very shrink margin? They are going to make loss this year. We should be prepared, right? Because if DMart have posted 0.5% margin, where will be these all other companies margin there? They will be making losses. Be prepared. DMart will be in correction mode. Why? Because yes, this year we may see that 2021 would end with around 0% growth, right? This 33% degrowth will not continue full year. This is just quarter one. as we will see quarter 2, quarter 3, slowly market will get open, they will able to cover the loss. But yes, we can't expect huge growth this year. So this is our estimation. This is the way you should try to estimate. See, I was estimating since last 10 years. I have estimated different companies since long time. I was wrong 1,000 times. Should I repeat this thing? I was wrong, my dear student, 1,000 times. But this is the way. Today I came to know that what were my mistake. Now my estimations are going good. So if I would have not tried, मैं बोलता नहीं जाने दो यार अपने को थोड़ी ना आएगा. No, my dear friend, try and get fail. If you will try and get fail, it will be a thumbs up thing and that will be a wonderful thing. Don't get demotivated that you estimated and you went wrong. You know how to estimate better, right, friends? So just try to estimate in this way. You should read in their result what they are telling, what their promoter are saying, right? It will help you in estimation. So this was estimation of demand. Be prepared. I'm going to accumulate. See, till now we were telling कि डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर होना ही चाहिए आपके पोर्टफोलियो में. We were saying yes, IT consultant you should have in your portfolio. Till now, since last 2 years, IT industry was in correction mode. You were able to accumulate more. Now you will be have to aggressive. आप ज्यादा नहीं ले पाओगे अभी तेजी में. But in department store, since last 1-2 years, it was in rally mode, right? पर फिर भी आपने 1-2% इकट्ठा किया. अब अगर गिरता है, take full benefit and during this correction mode, accumulate around 4 to 5% this good companies from this department store. Got it? Another department store के अलावा किसका रिजल्ट आया? Just think about it. Bandhan Bank have posted its result, right? So see what I saw in Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank comes in small finance banking industry. Again, this is a emerging industry. This is fastest growing industry. Overall, banking is a growing industry, but overall banking is not emerging industry. But small finance banking are doing business where there is no banking. So yes, this small finance banking are going to grow by 30 to 50% in coming time, and they have proven. Bandhan Bank is growing very well during last some years. Even we can expect that in future we will see Bandhan Bank able to grow by 20% CAGR, right? Current scenario after Corona, we were worried. हाँ लोग हफ्ता नहीं भरेंगे. People will take benefit of this moratorium. What will happen? See current result of Bandhan Bank. Their sales have grown despite this problem time by 15%. See, initially it was growing by 50%, 65% in fact. You can argue, पीयूष भाई इस बार खाली 15%. अरे हम तो 15 भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते थे. We were worried कि 0% ना बढ़े, है ना? But yes, it grew by 15%. Profit have fallen by 33%. It's all right भाई. क्योंकि आपका जो कंपनी का धंधा जबरदस्त चल रहा होता है, खर्चे भी उनके ऐसे होते हैं ग्रोथ के लिए. उनके धंधे 65% से नहीं बढ़े. They grew by only 15%. कॉस्ट तो थे, so their profit have grown by only 33%. It's all right, my dear friends. Still it is better than what was expected. आधा हो गया था बंधन बैंक. कितना टूटा? क्यों तोड़ा? क्योंकि कई लोगों ने एस्टिमेट किया था. मैं यही एस्टिमेट आपको लेने को बोल रहा हूं. ट्राई टू डू दिस एस्टिमेट, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड करंट सिनेरियो क्या होगा. Now as quarter one result has announced, take the data, put it in your Excel sheet and now try to analyze कैसा रहेगा ये साल बंधन बैंक का, राइट? आप भी एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो, एफआईआई भी एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो, वो भी गलत हो सकते हैं, आप भी गलत हो सकते हो. बट देखो बंधन बैंक को मार मार के 300 ला दिया कि नहीं? तो एफआईआई ने जो सोचा वो ही हुआ, है कि नहीं? बंधन बैंक वॉज ग्रोइंग कंपनी, मारा पहले, रिजल्ट अब आए 15% ग्रोथ, 33% माइनस प्रॉफिट. वैल्यूएशन इसके एग्जैक्ट 385 होते हैं कि नहीं? Remind everybody, Karan Raj, he was from Hyderabad. He has raised a query ही सेड पीयूष भाई वैल्यूएशन बंधन बैंक के बहुत हाई होते हैं, पर ये इतना नीचे क्यों है? अपने आप को थोड़ा टाइम दो। हर वो जगह जहां पे वैल्यूएशंस मैच नहीं हो रहे, ट्राई टू एस्टिमेट द फ्यूचर. If valuations are not matching in current coming quarter, valuation are going to match. या तो शेयर चलेगा या प्रॉफिट टूटेंगे, कुछ तो होगा. सेम क्वेरी, जय किशन जी का फोन आया था मेरे पे फ्रॉम दुबई. जय किशन जी सेड पीयूष भाई एलएनटी का बिजनेस, एलएनटी फाइनेंस होल्डिंग, मेरे ख्याल से ही वाज हैविंग क्वेरी दैट टाइम ड्यूरिंग इन अवंती फीड्स आल्सो, राइट, कि भाई वो कंपनियों के प्रॉफिट बहुत अच्छे थे उस समय, पर उनको बहुत मारा है. तो मैं तो सोचता हूँ जबरदस्त चलेगा. देखो व्हाट पीपल आर सीइंग, मैंने उस समय यही जवाब दिया करण राज जी को या जय किशन जी को. डोंट सी टुडेज फ्यूचर, ट्राई टू एस्टिमेट फ्यूचर. बड़े इन्वेस्टरों ने फ्यूचर्स देख लिया है. वी विल हैव टू सी सेम फ्यूचर. रिजल्ट आएंगे, नफा टूटेगा और आप देखोगे कि भाव परफेक्ट था. मार्केट गलत नहीं होता है. डोंट फाइट विथ मार्केट. राइट फ्रेंड्स, सो दिस आर ह्यूज लर्निंग. आप ऐसी बहुत सी लर्निंग करने वाले हो आने वाले समय में. So my thumbs up to Karan Raj, my thumbs up to Jai Kishan ji, my thumbs up to all those students who are trying to estimate. You all are at least better to those people who are dependent on TV. उनको कुछ नहीं पता है क्या होगा. आपको कम से कम पता है कि आप गलत होगे कि सही होगे. राइट फ्रेंड्स, ट्राई टू एस्टिमेट. दोस्तों, आपका टाइम आ गया है. क्वार्टर वन रिजल्ट आर अनाउंसिंग. टेक one company where you have invested. See what their results have came. See what their sales are and profit are. Put it in your estimation and now try to see the future. आपको पता चलेगा. आपको एग्रेसिव होना है बाइंग में, कि जैसे आपको पता चल गया डीमार्ट विल बी इन करेक्शन मोड, अब आप थोड़ा इसको एक्यूमुलेट करोगे. राइट, क्या करना है वो आपको पता चल जाएगा. राइट फ्रेंड्स, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, let me launch an exercise for everybody except the June batch, right? Except the June batch, even April batch people can take part because you have learned. See, there was a drawback in April batch. आपने yearly result देखे. During your time there were yearly result, right? Now this quarterly result are so much important, but when you were learning there were no quarterly result. नाउ क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट हैव अनाउंस. तो विजय भाई, आप जो कंपनी का रिसर्च कर रहे थे, अब देखो क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट आया, डालो फिगर उसकी. राइट, समझ गए संजय भाई? यू वर रिसर्चिंग ऑन यूबीएल, टेक द क्वार्टर वन रिजल्ट एंड ट्राई टू एस्टिमेट दिस ईयर. हम सबको ये एक्सरसाइज करना है. व्हाट वी विल डू एंड व्हाट इज माय प्लान, व्हाट यू शुड डू in the company where you have invested. The day when result comes, see, we are a wealth creator, we are long-term people, nothing hurry. See the company's result, take their sales data, take their profit data, and most important, read the management comment, what they are expecting. Put it in your research and try to estimate and note it down at what you are going to do action. Are you going to be aggressive? Are you going to accumulate? You are going to book some profit. The results will tell you, right? What you can do, do do this exercise and put it in your group, right? All other peoples may check and may correct you if there is some mistake, right? So get ready for this quarterly results. These results will be amazing. You will able to learn and you will able to estimate the worst year of the past, this corona year, where everybody will be worried what will happen to your company. You will be with some fact and some estimation. So best of luck to everybody and get set, go on your target. Jai Hind.